Everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I'm going to teach you about switches, what are switches, how we use them, and what are different type of switches. So basically, switches are like a type of connection by which we can stop and pass the flow of electric current. Just like our house, on our switchboard we will have switches for turning on light or turning on fan. We will see it. When we will press it, it will get on. That is electricity is supplying from it, and our whatever object is there that is getting on. When we will again press it, it will get turned off. Like that we can do. So just switch is just one component by which we can control the flow of electricity. That is we can pass the electricity or we can stop the electricity. So basically, this is how our switch looks. In layer you can see this is switch. This is a symbol for switch. These two. Like this, you can see in switch two metallic plates will be there. When that two plates will come in contact with each other, that is when they both plates will connect to each other. Supply will pass. That is current will flow from it. Like as you can see here, these two plates are connected to each other. Supply is passing and an electric bulb is getting on. And on vice versa, when these two plates are not connected, as you can see here, so supply is not getting passed and our bulb is not glowing. So it is just simple. Two metallic plates are there. They both are connecting. Contact is happening. Electric supply is flowing through all the circuit and our component is getting on. When that it is not in contact, that is they are disconnected. Electric current is not getting flow. So our supply is not component is not getting on. So this is called as on state of switch. This is called as off state of switch. And also it is called as closed switch as this circuit is fully closed. And this is called as open switch as this circuit is open. Okay. Now there are different types of switch. SPST, it stands for single pole, single throw. SPDT, single pole, double throw. DPST, double pole, single throw. DPDT, double pole, double throw. Then toggle switch. Tactile 2P, push button. You will see in our car where automatic cars are there. They will have push button. This tactile switch you can see in video games or something. Rotary switch, it is just like a one type of our regulator. Timer switch, in this we can set timer at about at what time we have to on that particular component or not. Joystick, this you will see in many video games. If you will go to game zone, there you can see joystick like that. A slide switch, it is just like a normal switch only. Then here come float switch, it is used to control flow of water. Limit switch, it is used in automatic automation where you can just control the opening and closing of particular thing, like you can say in door automation. Flow switch, it is also used to control flow. And thermal switch, like this there are different types of switches. So let's come on summary where we what is our switches. So basically switch is like one type of component which is used to control the flow of electric supply. That is, we can pass the electric supply, we can stop the electric supply. The symbol of our switch is like this, like two metal plates are there inside switch. While they will make contact with each other, that when they will touch each other, they are connected to each other, electricity will pass, loop will be created, electricity will pass, and a particular component will get on. And if they are not connected to each other, they are disconnected, so electricity will not pass and a component will not get on. This is called as on switch, this is called as off switch, or this is called as closed switch, this is called as open switch. Then we learn what are different types of switches, their full form, where they are used. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.